Hi friends, നിങ്ങൾ ഇവരെ ഓർക്കുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഡെന്നിസും ഏഞ്ചലയും അവർ ഓൾ ഇന്ത്യ റൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് 22 years, right? 25 years.
No, I came the first time in 2003.
2003, 2023 തൊട്ട് ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം ഒരു വീഡിയോ ഇട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അവർ വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ അന്ന് സർവീസ് ചെയ്ത പത്തനംതിട്ട R3 Motors. സർവീസ് യുവർ ബൈക്ക് ഫ്രം R3 Motors, right? ഓക്കെ, അവർ പിന്നെയും അവിടെ തന്നെ വന്ന് സർവീസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് തേക്കടയിൽ നിന്ന് ഇവിടെ വരെ വന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പം അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് നമ്മൾ ചോദിക്കാൻ പോകും. ഹൗ വാസ് ദ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് യു ഗെറ്റ് ഫ്രം ദിസ് സർവീസ് സെന്റർ ഇൻ പത്തനംതിട്ട?
For me, honestly said, I did different services in different Royal Enfield centers around India.
Okay.
I have to say that this one for me was the best. I mean, for me, then of course I didn't see all. Okay. But for me it was very good because rarely the Royal Enfield service centers will do more than what you will tell them. I mean, if you tell them I have a problem with my cone set, they will fix the cone set, and if there is any other problem, even if they see it, they will not care about it.
Okay.
While here the guys, they found also other issues which I were not aware of, and they did a great service. Everything pakka, perfectly done.
So you are satisfied with the Kerala Royal Enfield service from other states?
Yes, very yes, compared to other states, it's very professional.
Okay, so the all complaints of your Himalayan got.
Yes, the complaints which are solvable got solved. Okay.
Okay, ഹിമാലയന്റെ കംപ്ലൈൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാമല്ലോ, എപ്പോഴും കംപ്ലൈന്റ് വരുന്ന ഒരു വണ്ടിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ കംപ്ലൈൻസ് അവർക്ക് ഒരു നോർത്ത് ഈസ്റ്റ് റൈഡ് പോകാനായിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് മുന്നേ എല്ലാ കംപ്ലൈൻസും ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടാണ് അവർ വന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്, വാട്ട് ഓൾ തിങ്സ് യു ഹാവ് ചേഞ്ച്ഡ് ബിഫോർ ദ നോർത്ത് ഈസ്റ്റ് റൈഡ്?
This time or before the other rides?
This time any parts have been replaced?
Yes, this time we replaced all the bearings and all the parts of the cone sets for the T-stem.
Okay.
This is a BS3 model, so it is known that it will have issues.
Okay.
Maybe every 5,000 kilometers you have to do this work anyway.
Okay.
So I changed that. Then I got an extra accelerator cable and an extra clutch cable. You see them here?
Oh, they have give you that extra?
They gave this idea because being that me and Angela, we go in remote areas.
Okay.
So if I have a break, if my clutch cable will break or if my accelerator cable will break, I just have to fit it in. This was their idea, which is a super idea for who is going to travel.
Okay, clutch cable and accelerator cable. Okay.
Ready to be just
need to plug it right.
Yeah, plug out, plug in.
Okay, it's very easy.
It's super because if you are in remote areas, it's not the clutch cable. You may be capable to change it, but accelerator cable it's a little bit tough.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ, അവര് ക്ലച്ച് കേബിളും ആക്സിലറേറ്റർ കേബിളും എക്സ്ട്രാ ഇട്ട് കൊടുത്തു. അത് റിമോട്ട് ഏരിയസ് വരുമ്പം സാധനം സ്റ്റോക്ക് കാണാറില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇനി അവർക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും കേബിൾസ് പോവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് അത് ഊരി പ്ലഗ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അപ്പം ലോങ് ഡ്രൈവ്സ് ഒക്കെ പോകുന്നവർ അതൊന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. ഐ എം സജസ്റ്റിംഗ് ദം ടു try this method.
Yes, another suggestion for guys who are doing long rides in India, being that the roads are full of waste on the sides of the roads.
Okay.
Especially if you have a tube tire like mine, what I suggest you keep your old tube, cut it, and use it as a kind of jacket for the other tube which you will have. I will tell you by experience, 20 years of riding in India.
Okay.
For sure I rode at least 2 lakhs kilometers.
Oh, great.
You will get 7-8 times less punches than if you don't do it.
Okay.
Yes. And even if you have small bikes like KTMs or Splendors or 100 cc's, always do it. You will see you will get much less punches.
Okay. From punches 2 ലക്ഷം കിലോമീറ്റർ ഓടിയതിന്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആണ്.
No, I don't know, but maybe also more.
I was telling that you rode for 2 lakh kilometers in Indian roads.
Maybe even more.
I think I will below 1 lakh kilometers. I think
only with this I did almost 50k.
50. Okay.
And I did
Splendor and all,
before other trips and stuff.
Okay. So, Angela, how was the pillion ride comfort?
Nice. Always enjoy it.
With all the luggages with you, right?
Yes, this time without luggages, but from tomorrow with luggages.
Tomorrow luggages.
Yes, but it's fine. We are very happy. So the guys there are very nice.
Okay.
We changed also the key, the ignition system, which was the wires were rusted.
Okay. They have changed all that wires?
Yes, because I knew it before. It's always, the patchwork, so it had to be changed. Because if this one, the wires will get totally finished.
Okay, fine.
You can no more move anything.
Okay.
They changed also this.
Okay.
They found the problem in the tank. No, they found the tank problem.
They have removed that cover, right?
Yes, but they removed the whole tank. I think there was a hole in the in the area when you have overflow of petrol, it will go in a side kind of space. You know.
Okay. So the water will also enter into the
Yeah,
tank.
and it seems that there was a kind of hole between the tank and this side area where the waste petrol, when
Okay.
it's too much,
Okay.
goes in, and it was risking the water to come inside. So they found also that by themselves.
Okay. Yes. Also, I want to know the service cost for this 5,000 kilometer. How much cost are you paying for this?
For this last service which
For
I
this,
did,
this service.
which all that stuff which I told, it's a lot of stuff. I spent 6,300 rupees.
Okay.
Which is super honest. I mean, then of course the prices are fixed in the Royal Enfield, but still,
Okay.
they charge me only what they did.
You not
And
feel any higher price
No,
compared to that
no,
the
it's
other
not.
state?
No, it's not high. I thought it would have been higher, honestly, because many times when I got services around, they will tell you, yes,
Okay.
we will change you the oil of the forks and this and that. How can you control? I mean, you will notice after maybe 1 week.
We were not able to find that whether they removed it or not.
So
right?
no, exactly. Many times you will get charged for things that they are even not doing.
Okay, fine.
And, this didn't happen here.
Okay. So you're satisfied with the Kerala service center?
Yeah, we came back, so we are very satisfied. I think already that is a proof.
ഓക്കെ അപ്പം അതൊക്കെയാണ് ഹിമാലയൻ്റെ ലോങ് ഡ്രൈവ്സ് പോകുന്നതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ടിപ്സ് പറയാനുള്ളത്. നോർത്ത് ഈസ്റ്റ് പോവാണ്. നോർത്ത് ഈസ്റ്റ്
We are not going to northeast anyway. Going to Ladakh.
Going to Ladakh?
Yes.
Okay,
So
after
we are
that...
going to west.
Oh, going to west. After that you are going to that northeast eastern
No,
side?
this time,
No?
no.
Okay, they're
We
going
will
to
come
Ladakh
back
only.
after.
Okay.
This time not enough time.
Okay, fine.
Bye.
Bye guys. Bye.
Bye guys. Okay.